Hey everyone, Eric here from lapfix, back at it again with another repair. Got a mail-in today. Not a melon, a melon. A mail-in. We got mail-in today. We get lots of mail-ins. We usually get MacBooks, we get data recoveries, hard drives, stuff that comes in. Typical things you'd normally think, right, to do, and people send in, but we also get this stuff, and this stuff we do not like. This is just a board here, and it's loose. There's no fans, there's nothing, it's just a heatsink and a motherboard. And let's see. So I'm going to take it out. I just want to be careful, I guess, with it. I should be, right? So we've got a heatsink that has some excess thermal paste, thermal pads on there, residue thermal pads on there, and then we also have a motherboard, which I don't like that. And it looks like there might have been some work done. We're going to go ahead and take a look back like that in a second. You can probably see this area. This is Asus board. Let's see what it says. Oh wait, look, there's a jack on the bottom here. You see that? It's just taped. So it's in here for repair. It says ROG gaming laptop. It just needs to have the DC jack soldered. Alright, so I guess so. So I don't know if it's to save shipping costs or something like that, but this is just the board out. So let's take a look at it before. Let's go ahead and see, because I see some work has been attempted here. Let's go ahead and take a look under the microscope. Doesn't look absolutely terrible. Doesn't look like something has been touched, but who knows? You see some of even the top here. Some of the areas at the very, very top might have been a little bit impacted or something. Like they're covered with it, and we've got to make sure you clean that off as well, or something. But that's kind of the point. So I don't see any major damage here, at least just by taking a look at it, but who knows? Especially if something's been knocked. Maybe there's some component somewhere else that's been knocked. Who really knows? We don't really accept boards that just come in here, or anything that's been possibly worked on before, because the reason is for that, it's not only because it's been worked on and there might be an issue on top of another issue, and then you have to fix that issue first to fix the normal issue that's been going on in the first place, is especially if we get something like this in, just say we replace the jack on it or replace whatever needs to be done on it, we can't fully test it, especially after that. We're going to at least test the electricity is going to flow through it. We're going to get a right voltage in there, at least for that part, but we can't test to make sure that the laptop actually turns on. Especially if there's no power button, there's no fans, there's no keyboard connections, anything else that's doing it, because other things can be showing on the laptop as well. This is a gaming laptop. It does have an NVIDIA chip on it, and that can also be an issue as well, especially on the gaming ones. You could get no display. There can be a power issue. There's lots of different power areas on the board itself there that can give problems, and these jack might even be okay at the point we do replace, and they're still not going to work, and then you're like, well, we did exactly what you told us to do, but it's still not working. So what would you like us to do? Repair for it? Then we would need the laptop. We can do a board level repair. That's usually how these things really work. And we always want to do that for guaranteed for testing. It's the whole point of getting in a full laptop anyways, is to test to make sure everything else is going to be fine. We can fix the laptop itself if there is a problem, or if there is a DC jack, we could just do DC jack replacement, and hopefully that will fix it. But for these type of situations, we don't accept these things really coming in, because again, you don't know what else is going on, especially that it's been going through the mail. You don't know if components have been knocked in the meantime. If it's been removed, that could be the same issue too, especially if they put it back. Maybe there's another issue. Maybe there's liquid spill on one part of the area that you didn't even see, or you couldn't see unless you had a microscope. But doing something like this, bringing in the board, there's so many different X factors that are going to go into this, especially it's going to be mailed back, everything else is going to be put back together, and then hopefully it'll turn on then, and hopefully that was the main issue. So for these things like this, again, guys, we don't really accept boards that have been worked on or possibly repaired before, because of those possible other things that can go on. We really do appreciate you guys sending in stuff. We always like to take in liquid spill for MacBooks or just full laptops in general, and you just say, hey man, something's wrong with it, I don't know, here, just fix it. That's always the best way to do it, especially if you're really serious about doing a repair for your device, especially for data recovery. Please, please, please. We've made videos about it before. People send it in, they try to open it before, try to work on it, and then they cause more problems than they actually do have in the first place, and then it's going to get worse, and then it's harder to do recovery, etc., etc. So if you're serious about repairs, you're serious about data recovery, try not to open it, try not to work on it, especially on a board level repair or a data recovery case, if you're really, really serious. Like, we're always open to people trying to work and fix their own things, but this always, you see all the tools behind me, we show in every single video. We have the hot iron station, we have a microscope, we have lots of very, very expensive tools, ultrasonic, we have clean room, we have lots of the tools here and the expertise to actually help you get a repair and to get your data off too. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please leave a like. It really does help us a lot. Subscribe for more content. See you guys next video. Take care. Bye.